So the Boys Club series is nowhere near dead in the crypto space, and the coins are still absolutely booming to this day, and they still have absolutely huge potential. So we're going to be talking about another coin. We have previously talked about this coin on the channel, but we're going to be talking about it again because of how much potential it still has. So without wasting any more time, let's get right into the video. And before we do start, do make sure to hit the thumbs up button, drop a comment down below on what you think about this coin, and also don't forget to subscribe to our channel. So let's get right into the video and head over to our screen. So we are now over at our screen, and the coin we're going to be talking about today is called Birddog. So you may have heard about this coin. This is still a pretty decent coin, but still very low market cap compared to the other coins. So if we just look at the basics, we could see it is priced at around 0.006988, down about 3% in the past 24 hours, so not doing very great in the past 24 hours. Market cap at 6.8 million. So if we compare this to the other meme coins from this series, we know Brett is from this series, and this is at a $1.2 billion market cap, way higher than what Birddog is at. So we already know the potential that Birddog has, and we already know other meme coins from that series. So Andy, this is at a $99 million market cap, so still very huge. And also there are a couple coins from that series as well that have gone absolutely huge. So we already know that this is very low market cap compared to the other coins from that chain, and that this could go absolutely crazy in the upcoming times. Volume still pretty decent, 356k, so not looking too bad there. We already know this is a Solana coin. There are many coins on this for this coin. We could see Birddog, it is on about 3 different chains, but the Solana one is the most popular, so that's the one we are talking about. If we head over to the website, we could see these are the characters from that series. So we have Birddog here, we have Andy, Landwolf, Pepe, and Brett. So we have these absolute bangers of coin from this series as well, and most of these are very popular, and this is the one that's coming up very shortly, and this will gain attention and absolutely go crazy. If we go ahead and check out their Twitter, we can see they have a pretty decent 6.8k followers, so still growing their social media, and we could see they are pretty active on their page as well, so still doing pretty good on their social media, and as they continue to grow, they will gain in price. So that's about for the social media side. If we look at the graph, we can see it is still pretty volatile. It keeps going up and down here and there. And in the overall week, it is down, but it has stayed up for most of the week, and it was very volatile, but it has come down now. We can see this absolutely crazy bump it had in just the beginning of the week. If we look at the month overall, it has been pretty flat, had these huge bumps here and there, and this is currently flat because of the overall market as well, and is ready to take off any single day. So as we know, that overall market hasn't been very great recently, so this is why this has been moving sideways. If we look at earlier this month, we had this crazy movement earlier, which was very bullish, and then we did move down. We had bumps every here and there, and we will continue to see absolutely bullish momentum. If we look at the community, we could see once this gets listed on any bigger CEX, it's gonna fly. Be sure to accumulate while you can. Bullish on Birddog any day now, bullish. 6th CEX listing is right around the corner, and we could see most of the people have been bullish on this coin, so absolutely crazy numbers on coming to this coin. We could see $250 million market cap, very easy, so do not miss this coin. So that was about it for this video, guys. In this video, we did talk about the Birddog coin, gave you guys a little update. It still has huge potential, so do make sure to stack up this coin when you can. and this is your best opportunity to get in now, since this is a very low market cap coin still. So if you did enjoy this video and want to see more videos like this, do make sure to check out my other videos on this channel where I talk more about these meme coins and altcoins that have crazy potential. So do make sure to check them out to grab your next opportunity. If you did enjoy this video, hit the thumbs up button, drop a comment down below on what you think about this coin, and also don't forget to subscribe to our channel. So thank you guys so much for watching, and see you in the next one.